Sing by Numbers, Lesson 6, Singing Unfamiliar Tunes. As we've talked about, you need to recognize a few keys, like D minor and so forth, but you don't have to learn all the keys to get going. Generally speaking, you just have to match the sound of the triad given by your conductor to the shape of the triad at the beginning in order to find your slot in it and go from there. For example, let's say you are a tenor and your conductor gives just 1 and 3. And notice that the tenor here is on 5, and just sing 5. But not just at the beginning. You want to project the triad across the page like the proverbial red thread to lead through the labyrinth. By observing how the music winds around the triad, you will see immediately, for example, how the melody of Lord, now lettest thy servant depart in peace goes 3, 5, 6, 5, 1, 2, which is a simple pattern that you can take out of your pocket and lay down at any point. Then you can more easily fill in the rest. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 5, 6, 5, 4, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2. Even if you do not define the outline precisely, you should still be hearing internally and singing large and small number shapes like this, constantly and unflaggingly, because that is what it means to sing on key. There is one complication we will consider for reading music you don't know. Let's say you run into a raised or lowered note. A raised note is usually sharp, or natural if it started out flat. Many times, a raised note will be the major version of 7, which needs to be borrowed in minor. For example, here the alto has 1, 7, 1. But you can also treat most other sharps like this, even if they are not literally 7. You do this through a kind of mixing of scales, as we looked at previously. For example, in the second big phrase of Lord, now lettest, the alto rises from 3 to 4, which gets its own 7 marked with a sharp, the same as if it were in the key of 4. Listen. 3, 4, 7, 4, 6, 3, 1. And now filled out. 3, 4, 7, 4, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 2, 1, 7, 1. A lowered note is usually flat, or natural if it started out sharp. While we can treat most raised notes as imaginary 7s, we can sing most lowered notes as if from minor, because, as you recall, 3, 6, and 7 are lowered in minor. Thinking this way helps, for example, in the last phrase of Lord, now lettest. Again, the triad of the key is marked. The soprano goes to 7 as if in G minor, then immediately reverts to G major before concluding in E minor. Listen. 3, 1, 7, 5, 2, 5, 1. And now filled out. 3, 2, 1, 5, 5, 7, 6, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. See, it really helps to have these scale structures in place so that you can switch between them almost as readily as staying in one. And how time-saving is that? Because you can do it with any piece on site. I hope you've gotten some value from these lessons. Peace and love to all of you.